Welcome back, guys. Today is package opening day. We're going to see what future videos are going to be in store when we open these packages. We got 3 packages. And we're going to open up the first of the 3. And another box. This is like one of those giant box inside of a box inside of a box. Whoa. So this little device, you can put 4 of your old RCA BNC connector cameras on the one Ethernet cable and run it manually, passively to your computer box, your digital video recorder. And there's the manual. This tells you everything in it. So you can do 750 feet for 1080p or 1500 feet for a regular 720p camera. No power, all passive. And this tells you exactly what it is. So there's all your Ethernet cable. You have another one at the other end, or if you have a fancier one that just has the 4 BNC connectors, and that one will be coming up in another video. So that's one. Now this one is a bit weighty, and this one, oh, these are my screws for 3D printer aluminum channels, but I'm not going to use it for that. This is going to be for my home server when I build it. So there's that package. This one, oh, hey, this is my Palm Pilot connector for my Palm Tungsten T. Oh, this has all the pins. Let's see if this even fits. And it fits. It sits, it fits. You know what? Plug her in. Oops. Okay, there. We'll keep this off to the side just in case if it decides to turn on. And my next package. Oh my god, it actually turned on. It works. Oh, look at that. It actually works. None of the other charging ones wanted to work. That's the startup. Look at that loading screen. Oh, what does my other one say? So I know the difference. Calendar. Calendar. No. Each calendar. Okay, so this being 25 days since the last time we did our video for this. And you know what? I'm going to let this charge. And I'm going to do another video on this when it comes time because I stupidly have Bluetooth headphones. Home. Where's my home? I forgot. Oh. Look at that. Okay. Did it just die? It like kind of teetering on it wants to be alive. You know what? I'll let that sit. I guess I got too excited when it turned on. Okay, my next package. Oh, BNC connectors. So these, as you see here, can fit onto these. And I got these ones that can fit in keystone jacks. So that's another upcoming project, probably in the same video. Don't die. Don't die. Okay, another package. Oh. All my Ethernet boot jack protectors. So when I get to doing this and doing my runs, I'll have all my connectors for that. And last but not least, package inside a package inside a package. Real USB 3.0 HDMI video capture. So there's that one, and then there's this one, very similar, and this one, which is the same, just in case if one of them might work. Okay, so my palm decided to have a stroke after being charged. I can barely make out the dots on it. Does that say 1205? Probably says 1205. Oh, I know. Oh, there it is again. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna let you sleep. Shoo, off, off. Okay, yeah, I guess it decided. Okay, you sleep. Button, wake up, wake up. Okay, go sleep. Go sleep. Okay, there. So I have future video, doubly a future video. So that's a 2020 M3 100 piece connectors. That's for my home server when I get to build it. And these are all my boot jacks. Ooh. And there you go. So the one cable I got, it works. Come on, come on, have a nap. Okay, so one video, two videos here, and then the third video. Probably a fourth when I get OBS up and running. And then this one. That might be video 5 and to 20, depending on how many parts I can accumulate. And there we go. So that's what the future holds in store. And thank you and have a good night. Don't forget to like and subscribe.